Yes guys, so we have a system coming in on the island, so we are preparing. Everyone is trying to prepare for that system that is flowing in. We're supposed to get that system between Friday and probably Saturday, so we're just preparing. Everybody's busy doing their thing, you know, securing their properties, securing lives, etc. Yeah, so we're on our way into the town. So that's just a little picture of what this is, the shanty area, and that is what it looks like. So yeah, yes guys, so there's gonna be a tropical storm coming in very soon, and we got one. It was what, 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks, somewhere there off, and it was 50 kilometers or 50 miles per hour, right? And this one is much higher than the first one, so we're just bracing ourselves to see what it's gonna be like. And I'm sure the gas stations are full, and I'm sure the supermarkets are full. So we're making our way to the town now to see what's going on, because in the Caribbean we don't take storms or hurricane lightly. Yeah, we have to prepare.